This is the Ford F-150 2015-2020, and lots of people ask, how can you turn off that passenger's airbag? The problem is that these vehicles are equipped with the special system with the sensors, MET sensors there, that deactivate the passenger's airbag once they understand that nobody is sitting in that seat. In case of an accident, this airbag will not deploy in that case. So if the weight sensor inside the seat senses a person sitting, this will automatically activate the passenger's airbag. This is how it works. It works automatically, and there is no way to control that manually. And the question is, can you actually put the rear-facing child seat on that front passenger seat? And the answer is no. Because, yeah, this system is set to not detect the child seat as a person, and it shouldn't detect the child seat as a person. But the problem is that it's not perfect, and the system may actually turn on the passenger's airbag once it detects any weight on that seat. So it's not safe to install a rear-facing a child seat on that passenger seat in the Ford F-150 13th generation. In the manual you can read that the best thing is to use the child seat there on the rear seat, but also the manual says that if you move this front seat all the way back and install the front-facing child seat, so the simple child seat, you can get acceptable level of safety for your child. So even if the passenger airbag will deploy, it will not hurt your child if the seat is properly fastened in that place. So this is what the manual says, but actually it's always better to use the child seat on the rear seat of the vehicle.